Building an assembly in QuickBooks is essential for businesses that manufacture products from various components. The Build Assembly feature allows you to combine items into a finished product, manage inventory, and track costs. Here's how to do it. Set up Inventory Assembly. Go to the List menu and select Item List. Click Item at the bottom left and choose New. From the Item Type drop-down, select Inventory Assembly. Enter the product name, description, and assign it to the appropriate accounts. In the Bill of Materials section, list all components that make up the assembly, along with their quantities. Add labor or overhead costs if applicable. Build the assembly. Go to the Vendors menu and select Inventory Activities. Click Build Assemblies. In the Build Assembly window, select the item you want to build. Enter the quantity to build. QuickBooks will check if there is enough stock of each component to complete the assembly. Click Build and Close or Build and New. Update inventory. Once the assembly is built, QuickBooks will automatically deduct component items from inventory and add the finished product.